Hello guys, welcome back to our Java fundamental course, and this is our module number 4, and today we are going to discuss about operators in Java. So let's get started guys. So first of all we will see introduction. So operators are simple symbols that perform operation on variables and values. So as the name suggests that operators will be perform operation on the variables and values. Java provides different types of operators to manipulate variables. So there are different various type of operators in Java. Operators are grouped in the following categories. So now we will discuss about various type of operators. So now these are the operators which we will use in our Java programs. So first one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. So arithmetics and all these are important to use in our Java program. So it will make our program easier. So now these are very important. So now we will discuss each one in very details manner. Okay. So now arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operation on variables. So so these are the operate. So there are different types of arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and this is the remainder. So first one is plus sign. So plus will indicate that it will perform addition. Then minus will perform subtraction. But there is a twist. When we use this integer, when we use this plus sign in integer variables, then it will perform addition. But when we use this operator in string, then it will perform concatenation. That means it will join that two strings. Okay. So now there are different type of operators. So first one is plus, will it will perform addition. Then second one is minus, it will perform subtraction. Then third one is star, which will perform multiplication. Then fourth one is slash, it will perform division. And this is the double slash, it will perform float division. That means it will not give the float value, it will always provide integer value. And last one is modular, that we will use percentage sign, it will give the remainder. Okay. So now these are the examples. So we have two variables x and y, and we have provided the value to x is 10 and value of y is 20, and we have created one new variable called sum, and we have given the data type as integer. So this is the integer type of data type, and we have performed arithmetic operation, and we have used plus sign. So what it will give as output? So we have performed addition x plus y, so 20 plus 10 is 30, so the value of sum will be 30. So now we have second example. So it we have performed the addition division on this both variables. So it will give the quotient like a divided by 2, a divided by b. If we have value a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2, then it will perform a divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the quotient will be 5. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about assignment operators. So what is assignment operators? So assignment operators will be used in every program because it is very much important. So it is used to assign values to variables. So like we have already used this, we are already using these variables, but I think you don't know the name of that operators. So when we assign the values to our uh, variables, then we use this equal to sign. So it will give the name to that variable. And there are different types of variables or operators in assignment operators also. We can use plus equal to. That means if we have x and y, and we if we want to add both of them, then we can perform that this is the x, this is the plus, and this is the equal to, and directly we can give value of y. So what will it will do? So it can be also written as x equal to, so x equal to x plus y. So this is the similar as this. So but this is the shortcut method, we can perform all of this. So plus equal to is used for addition, minus equal to is for subtraction, star equal to is for multiplication, and it will assign the value to that variable. and after that we can use division or slash equal to. It is used for division equal to, and this is the modulo equal to. So now we have examples. So I hope you have already clear with, but we will see these examples. So we have uh, x is a integer type of variable and 5 is a value, and we have assigned 5 to our x integer x integer type of variable. So this is called as assignment operators. Now we have performed sum, so this is the sum variable, and we have performed plus equal to, so it will perform addition of this sum plus 10. So it, and the result will be going to sum. So these are the assignment operators. Now we will see next comparison operators. So comparison operators, as its name suggests, that it will perform comparison between two values, and it will give the, it will return the boolean type of result. So now what is boolean type of result? It will give the, it will return true or false. So there are different type of comparison operators, like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, then greater than equal to, then less than equal to. So now these operators are used to perform comparison between two values. So equal to is used for to check that both variable values are similar or not. So if it is equal, then it will return true, and if it is not correct, then it will provide not equal to, so it will provide false. After that we have not equal to. So if both variables are not equal, then it will provide true, and if it are equal, then it will provide false. So these are the greater than, if a variable is greater than equal to true. So likewise all these variables, all these operators will return the boolean type of result. So these are the use for comparison, that variable is greater than or not, and greater than equal to also check that it is greater than, and if it is a equal. Okay, so now these are the operators very useful when we use if else loop. So we will also check, we will also learn about loops and decision making in our further videos. So now we will see some examples. So now this is the boolean type of variable we have created, and we are checking that there is a, is x and y are equal. So we have created boolean type of variable, and we have assigned that value. So now we are checking that x and y are equal. So we have used this equal to sign, that it will check x equal to y. So if it is a correct, or it is satisfied that, then it will provide the value true to our equal, and it will give our output as true. And if it is not equal, then it will provide false. So now we have also created one more example. So boolean large, so it will check that a is greater than or a is greater than b. So if a is greater than b, then it will provide true, or if it is incorrect, then it will provide false. Okay, so now we have completed with comparison. Now we are going to see logical operators. So now what is logical operators? So it is used to combine boolean values and return boolean result. So like you have seen, all you have already know about and gate, not gate, or gate. So there are different types of gates. So these are the provides, and it will provide and operation, or operation, and not operation. So we are going to use that logics in our program. So as the result, it will provide true or false. So this is also similar to that, but now there are different type of operators, and there are, these are the different operators. These are not simple, so we have to consider this. So now for and operation, we are going to use and. So ampersand is used for and operation. So but we cannot use single ampersand, we have to use two ampersand for performing and operation. So now what is and what will it will perform? So if the first variable is 1 and second variable is 1, then it will provide 1 as a output. And if in or operation, if one is 1 and second one is 0, so it will also provide 1. And in not operation, if both are 1 and it will provide 0. So this is not provide done in two variables, it will just do in one variable. So if value of that variable is 1, then it will give 0. That means it will provide true or false. So all of these are used for logical operators. So now we are going to see the one example. So both in and operation, when both will be 1, then it will provide 1. In or, if one condition is satisfied, then it will also provide true. And in not operation, we can reverse that our result. So now if we get true as output, and if we use not, then it will provide false. Okay, so now we have and not is or is provided by this double lines, and this is used by exclamatory sign. It indicates that not operation. So now we will see one example, bool and. So this is the data type, and then we have created one example or variable, and we have assigned the. So now we have performed logical operation. So now x is greater than 5 and y is less than 10. So now suppose that we x variable value is 7. So now if is x is greater than 5, yes, so it will provide true value. And so now this is the and value, and y is less than 10. So if our y value is also 7, so 7 is less than 10, yes, so this is also correct. So both is correct, so both will be written true, and true means it will give the result as true. So we are performing AND operation, so both are the true. And if any of this is false, then it will give false. So because it is a AND operation. Now this is a OR operation similar to that. We have used that, we have already covered that. If any value of that uh, is incorrect, then it will provide false value. Okay, so now we are going to conclude our session now. So in Java there are different types of built-in operators. So first one is arithmetic operation, used to perform arithmetic operations. Then there are assignment operators, which are used to assign the values to variables. Then comparison operators, which are used to compare the two variables. Then logical operators, which are perform and or not operation on variables. And last one is bitwise operator, but we have not covered this bitwise operator because commonly normally we don't use bitwise operator in program, so it is not mandatory to learn about bitwise operators. So now what is the role of operators? So operators allow manipulating variables and values. So these are very important in our program, because when we write the code in our Java, then we use operators commonly, because these are very important. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have any question, then feel free to ask. I will answer each and every question. So please ask any question, and if you understand all these things, so please like and share this video with our friends. Thank you.